our newlywed couple, Rita and Judy Soul.
This showed our honest reflection of their continuous commitment to each other and a visual display of the way they express themselves.
Okay, binibilang nila ako. Oh boy. May we request, ma'am, paki-explain mo muna po kung paano na yan, ma'am? DJ? Okay. So siya po, sa buong kwarto, siya lang nakakaalam. Why lahat nakatayo? Excited doon? Diyan lang! Okay! Let's count. Ready, ha? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a boy or it's a girl. Congratulations, Judy and Raymond. It's a boy.